After the COVID-19 pandemic struck India, for more than 2 years, individuals looking to deploy their savings in bank deposits had to contend with meager returns. The reason? Interest rates were reduced to record lows to protect the economy. However, with persistently high inflation compelling the Reserve Bank of India to sharply raise interest rates since May 2022, the investment landscape has become a lot more attractive for savers. The RBI's rate hikes are being passed on faster to borrowers than savers, as several bank lending rates are linked to external benchmarks, which are reset almost immediately after the central bank's interest rate actions. Deposit rates, which represent liabilities for banks, are usually raised when a bank faces pressure to raise funds. That is the case at present, as bank credit growth has far outstripped growth in deposits for several months. As a result, banks have rushed to raise deposit rates to attract funds and to finance the booming credit growth. With surplus liquidity shrinking rapidly, banks have faced even more pressure to mobilize funds. At present, State Bank of India is offering a peak rate of 7.10% for general deposits under Rs 2 crore under a special scheme. The highest rate SBI is offering under normal schemes for general deposits under Rs 2 crore is 7%. Meanwhile, HDFC Bank is offering a peak rate of 7.10% for regular deposits under Rs 2 crore. For senior citizens, SBI's peak rate for regular deposits is 7.50%, while HDFC Bank's highest rate is 7.75%. This is a far cry from the situation in much of 2020 and 2021, when returns on bank deposits struggled to adequately compensate for inflation. In August 2020, the RBI had lowered the policy repo rate to a record low of 4%. The repo rate stayed at that level till May 2022. In 2020-21, the average retail inflation in India was 6.1%. The RBI's latest estimates project average retail inflation at 5.3% in the next financial year. The repo rate is currently at 6.5%, while the government's 364-day Treasury bill is yielding 7.26%. So, the real rate adjusted for inflation is now in the positive territory. According to the latest RBI data, the weighted average rate on fresh deposits in May to December 2022 period went up by 213 basis points.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.